and we're just gonna curve that all the way around like this. And from here, we just add a fin, since we're already here. And then from here, we're gonna keep curving the outline of the body all the way down here. And let's do the underside, the belly side. Something like that would do. And draw another line here that kind of separates the top part of the shark to the bottom part, in a sense. If you have a lighter pencil, you can use that too for this part. And here we're just gonna draw the eye. And then for the mouth, just two squiggly lines that kind of come together. And the fin on top, which is of course this shape we're all very familiar with. A few lines here for the gills, and the fin for the bottom. And last thing we need is just the tail. So we go 1, 2, and connect that back. And it's done. So I hope that was, how long was that? I don't know. I need to count these because I'm pretty sure these are like 1-minute drawings and not 2. But I hope you guys like this tutorial, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.